2016 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, driver illuminated vanity mirror, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.